Hi fashionist, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and tips. Today we are diving into the world of bodycon dresses. You know, those super stylish and figures flattering outfits that anyone talking about right now. So let's check out some of the most beautiful and trending bodycon dresses for this season. First up, let's talk about colors. Bright and blurred is all the rage. Look at this stunning neon pink dresses, is not amazing. Neon colors are perfect for making a statement and tuning heads whenever you go. If you are looking to stand out, that is definitely the way to go. If you love this look, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Next, we have the classic black bodycon dresses. This timeless pieces is a must-have in every wardrobe. It's sleek, elegant, and super versatile. You can dress it up with some high heels for a night out or keep it casual with some sneakers. Comment below if you are classic and hottest bodycon dresses and how you like to style it. Now let's move on to some amazing patterns from hottest bodycon to street patterns and add a fun twist to your bodycon dresses. Check out this hot bodycon dresses. It's playful and perfect for a day out. And strips, they are great for a chic and modern look. If you are enjoying these trends, do not forget like this video and share it with your friends, loving friends. And how about some sparkles? If you have got special events, up a sparkly bodycon dresses will make sure you shine all night long. Whether you choose gold, silver, or a mix of both, you will definitely stand out. For those who love a bit of drama, our size, sleeves, and ruffles are trending right now. They add a fun, a feminine touch to the bodycon. This dresses with puff sleeves is a perfect example of how to blend classic style with modern fare. Do not forget hot bodycon dresses come in different lengths too. For mini to midi bodycon dresses you can find a style that suit any occasions. Mini bodycon dresses are great for summer parties while midi dresses are perfect for a more polished look. So there you have it. These are some of the hottest bodycon dresses trends that are sure to make you look and feel fabulous. If you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to share it with your friends so they can stay on top of the latest trends too. Bodycon dresses comes in all sorts of style from sleek and simple to glamorous and decorated. They are available in different fabric colors and patterns. Today we will explore the hottest trends so you will know exactly what's in style and how to wear it. If you are excited to see the latest trends, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love fashion. Let's talk color. Bright and blurred colors are making waves this season. Think of white colors and neon green colors, blue colors and red colors. These colors are fantastic for making a blood statement and standing out in any crowd. Neon colors are perfect for summer parties or fun night out. They really pops and add a playful to vibe to your outfit. If you love standing out, a neon bodycon dresses is definitely the way to go. On the flip side, if you are more into classic hot bodycon dresses, you can go wrong. These pastel, soft pink, baby blues, and leather are super popular right now. They give a more delicate, casual look. Which colors do you prefer, neon or pastel? Let me know in the comments below. If you are enjoying these fashion tips, and next up let's dive into patterns can really spice up a bodycon dresses. One of the hottest trends right now is animal print. From leopard to zebra, these prints add any edge with touch to your outfit. If you are not into animal prints, do not worry, there are plenty of the other fun patterns to choose from. Strip are always a great option. They can be blurred and graphic or stempel and chic. Hot bodycon dresses also making a big comeback. They are playful and perfect for a cute Toro look. Patterns are a great way to express your personality and add some flair to your wardrobe. Let's talk about fabric. Bodycon dresses come in a variety of materials, each giving a different look and feel. First up, we have the classic cotton and jersey. These materials are comfortable and making them great for everyday wear. For something a bit more glam, try a dress and material fabrics. These are perfect for parties, any event where you want to sparkle and shine. Velvet silk is another fabric that's trending right now. It adds a luxurious and rich texture to your dress. It's perfect for fall and winter and look amazing in deeper jeweler tone colors. So what your favorite fabric? Let me know in the comments. Hot bodycon dresses come in various length, each temple for different occasions. Let's start with mini dresses or midi bodycon dresses. These are great for showing off your legs and are perfect for a night out or a summer and winter day. Midi dresses, on the other hand, offer a bit more coverage, will style. Being super stylish, they are versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. And do not forget about maxi bodycon dresses. These are perfect for a formal look or for those who prefer a bit more coverage. Which length do you prefer? Mini, midi or maxi bodycon dresses? Drop your thought in the comments. If you are finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in bodycon dresses trends. In fall and winter, you might want to go for richer, darker colors and heavier fabric like velvet or knit. It's all about layering and adding texture to stay warm and stylish. Finally, let's take a look at some designer bodycon dresses that are making waves in the fashion world. These dresses often comes with unique design and high quality fabric that really set them bodycon dresses. While designer pieces can be a bit, they are definitely worth if you are looking for something truly special and unique. And that's all for today. Looks the hottest bodycon dresses trends. I hope you enjoy exploring these fabulous styles with me. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel Fashion Design, and share it with anyone who loves staying on top of fashion trends. Let's talk about fabric. Bodycon dresses come in a variety of materials, each giving a different look and feel. First up, we have the classic cotton and jersey. These materials are comfortable and stretchy, making them great for everyday wear. Velvet is another fabric that's trending right now. It adds a luxurious and rich texture to your dress. It's perfect for fall and winter and look amazing in deeper jeweler tone colors. So what your fabric and hottest bodycon dresses? Let me know in the comments. If you are loving these fabric ideas, bodycon dresses, hot bodycon dresses in length, each suitable for different occasions. Let's start with mini dresses. These are great for showing off your legs and are perfect for a night out or a summer day. Hot bodycon dresses, casual dresses, on the other hand, offer a bit more coverage while still being super stylish. They are versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. Now that we have covered the different trends, let's talk about styling. Accessories can make a huge difference when it comes to bodycon dresses. Pairing your dress with a statement necklace or blood earrings can elevate your look. Shoes are also important. Heels can add a touch of glam, while sneakers can make the outfit more casual and comfortable. Do not forget to choose accessories and shoes that complement your dress.